Welcome to this video. Today I will teach you about shading and making shadows in logo or artwork. Have a nice day. First you have to choose and make an ellipse shape. Press Ctrl+L to choose it. Now hold Shift to make a perfect circle. Then I will select my favorite color with the eyedropper tool. Now choose the pen tool and draw a arc line in the corner of the circle. Draw like this. Now be sure that the stroke is thick. I will recommend you the 8 points of thickness. Choose the stroke color white. And make sure that the fill is none. Choose the stroke and go to Effects, then click on Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius as you want, but I will recommend 28 points. OK, now choose Pen tool again, and draw an arc in the down corner. Draw like this. Choose the stroke and go to Effects and do the blur again. And now the shade is completed. Let's do the shadows. For it I will choose a circle, and place it in the below the circle like this. Now I will adjust it like this. Color this circle with this light black color. Like this. Now go to Layers and drop it onto the circle. Now it is ready. Okay, it is done. I hope you liked this. Please comment your queries and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.